Sunday is going to be just as nice as your Saturday was. Take a look at the numbers behind me. There's really no difference here. It's going to be more blue sky than anything else, and we're going to climb into the low 70s. We are anywhere from 5 to like 7 or 8 degrees above average for this time of year. We're not breaking records, but it is very nice, especially since it's really the first burst of incredibly nice and low 70s that we've had after what's been a pretty fairly busy winter for us, although typically, really, if you look at the numbers, it was just an average winter. All right, let's talk about how tomorrow's a little different. We're going to look at Monday morning just for 1 second, because I want you to see how we are really changing the seasons around here a little bit. Look at the marine layer tomorrow. Classic outline. See what's going on there? It's filling all of the interior valleys of the bay. There's Napa. There's the valley along 101 up through Petaluma Valley and the Petaluma Gap into Santa Rosa. There's that's Castro Valley going over into the Tri-Valley. You see how it's spilling over there, certainly filling the whole Santa Clara Valley. I could go on. This is the marine layer filling back in. And we haven't woken up to many mornings like this. So on Monday, we're going to wake up to a bit of May gray. It's not going to be foggy, but it'll be May gray to start the day, and it won't last long because by the late morning it'll be gone, and Monday is going to be just as nice as today, in fact, maybe a little warmer. And Tuesday will be just as nice. Wednesday will be just as nice. To find the change coming our way for the end of the week, we got to go back out to the Pacific. There are still storms developing out here. Now, the pattern for us right now, with the sunny skies and the marine layer in the morning that only lasts for a few hours, the 70s, that's the result of a blocking ridge of high pressure sitting over us right now. Watch what it does to the storms. They all either have to go around, or the ones that are foolish enough to try and burst through just kind of get broken apart until the end of the week. And by Friday now, there's growing agreement among the major long-range forecast models. We're going to get some rain here. The details in terms of timing and amounts are still up in the air a little bit, but we're starting to get a clearer picture from Friday, perhaps through a good part of the weekend. We're going to have a system around that's going to be able to deliver some rain. This is not going to be a serious or a significant storm, but if we look at the rainfall totals, we're going to come away with a wide range of possibilities within this manageable range. Watch what happens when we look at the first model. This is the more conservative one. From Friday going through Monday, we pick up a ½ inch of rain. And, for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, for 4 days, that's not a lot. ½ inch of rain, you'll notice that you get some rain. But it's not the concerning amount. Let's look at the other model. This is the model, by the way, that's done a little better with just about every storm this winter. And this one's a lot more bullish. And it says that in that time frame from Friday through Monday, we could get 1.5 inches of rain. Now, that certainly sounds like a lot more, and it is. But over 4 days, it's still manageable. 1.5 inches, I mean, we can do just fine with that. We've had far more impactful storms than that over the course of the winter. But when you look at the 7-day forecast, you see what happens. There's your rain showing up Friday and going into the weekend. Look at that daytime high for Oakland on Monday. Going to be near 70. Look at the other microclimates here. San Jose, 76 on Monday. It'll stay there until we get pretty much towards the middle part of the week. And our final microclimates here for the inland valleys, you'll be in the mid-70s to start the week, low 60s by next weekend with some rain.